My name is Nancy from the Muse, Knoxville, and today is the 50th anniversary of Earth Day. Earth Day is a day that is meant to celebrate the earth and all that is good within it. So we're out here today in this beautiful day to talk about making your own compost pile. So there are professionally made composters like this one here, and it's a great one if you have the room for it, but if not, you can get started on your own just using your own simple table scraps. I'm sure you all know about the 3 R's, reduce, reuse, and recycle. And one of the ways to do that is to start saving your kitchen scraps. You should save fruits and vegetables. You really shouldn't save cheese or meat because they will attract different animals. So what I've got here is, let me see, I have some eggshells in here. And eggshells make a great food for your tomato plants. You can just put them around, crunch them up, and put them around your tomato plant. The tomato plants love the calcium, the nitrogen, the phosphorus that comes from the shells, and they will absorb it through the soil. It's a great way to do that. You can even use eggshells if you want to start making some of your own seedlings. So if you have a little eggshells, you save the eggshells, you fill it with a little dirt, and then all you have to do is place one little seed inside. You place the seed inside, just push it down gently, and then you spray it with some water. You just spritz it with some water and keep it wet for a few days. You'll see it start to sprout. When it gets about an inch long, what you do is then you plant it. You can take the whole thing out and plant it right in the dirt so it's already getting the food it needs. Now, if you have other kitchen table scraps, so I have an orange peel here. I've just dug a hole in between the plants and I put an orange peel in there. I have a banana peel, put those in there. I have some onion skins. There we go. I have some, one other thing is to put your paper towels in there. You put your paper towels right in the dirt with the composting items because it helps break down the food and it keeps it moist. That's all you have to do. And then what you do is you cover it up. You kind of just pat it down a little bit. You can mark it if you want because you can come back in about 4 weeks and try to dig in that same spot and you won't be able to find any of those items. What you'll find is rich dirt with worms and all the nutrients ready to grow more plants. A fun thing to do also is to try to bury a yogurt container or a small plastic item, and when you come back, that will be just as it was. So I think you can really learn a lot by digging in your own garden and starting your own seedlings. I hope you think of other great ways to help the earth, and hope to see you soon at Muse at Home. Thank you.